Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make brownies from the box. First, gather your ingredients: a box of brownie mix, 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, and 1/4 cup of water. Next, preheat your oven to the temperature indicated on the brownie box, typically 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Finally, prepare your baking pan, usually a 9 by 13-inch pan, by lightly greasing it with butter or cooking spray. This ensures your brownies won't stick. Now it's time to mix the batter. Carefully empty the entire contents of the brownie mix package into a large mixing bowl. Then, add the 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, and 1/4 cup of water to the bowl. Using a spoon or spatula, stir all the ingredients together until they are just combined. Be careful not to overmix, as this can lead to tough brownies. A few lumps are perfectly fine. Once your batter is mixed, pour it evenly into your prepared 9 by 13-inch baking pan. Spread it gently to ensure an even layer. Place the pan into your preheated oven and bake for the duration recommended on the brownie mix box, which is often around 28 to 31 minutes. To check for doneness, insert a toothpick into the center. It should come out with moist crumbs, not wet batter. After baking, carefully remove the pan from the oven. It's crucial to let the brownies cool completely on a wire rack before cutting them. This allows them to set properly, preventing them from crumbling. Cooling can take about 1 to 2 hours. Once fully cooled, cut your delicious brownies into squares, typically 2 by 2 inches, and enjoy your homemade treat. They're perfect with a glass of milk.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.